Hi Lizzie.
Hi, sir.
Lizzie, this is your second round of interview.
Right, sir.
Okay Lizzie, CPTT has recently introduced two new Section 194R and 194S of TDS. What are these section?
Section 194R was inserted by Finance Act 2022. This section is applicable from 1 July 2022. A person who is providing any benefit or perquisite of the amount exceeding Rs 20,000 to a resident is liable to deduct TDS at 10%. This section is not applicable where the deductor is having sales or gross receipts from business of not more than Rs 1 crore or from profession not more than Rs 50 lakhs during the financial year immediately preceding the financial year.
In case deductee is not providing PAN, what rate of TDS would be deducted by deductor?
20%, sir.
And what about Section 194S?
Sir, Section 194S is also applicable from 1st of July 2022. As per this section, the person who is paying consideration to resident person of aggregate amount exceeding Rs 10,000, Rs 50,000 in case where deductor is specified person during the financial year for purchase of virtual digital asset, VDA, is required to deduct TDS at 1%. In case permanent account number of deductee is not available, TDS would be deducted at 5%.
Who is specified person?
Specified person is an individual or HUF who is not having income under the head profit and gains of business or profession, an aggregate turnover not exceeding 1 crore or 50 lakhs respectively in the previous year immediately preceding the previous year.
Lizzie, who is liable to file their income tax return on or before 31st of July every year, as per Income Tax Act 1961.
Sir, all the assessee to file their return on before 31st of July every year, other than corporate assessee, non-corporate assessee whose books of account are required to be audited, partner of a firm whose accounts are required to be audited or spouse of such partner if Section 5A applies, and assessee who is required to furnish a report under Sections 92E.
If the return is not filed in scheduled prescribed time, what are the consequences may face to assessors?
If the return has not been filed within the prescribed time limit, an assessee would have to face such issues. Number 1, late fee up to Rs 5,000 as per Section 234F. Number 2, interest payable as per Section 234A. Number 3, he would be restricted to carry forward losses of such financial year in subsequent financial year, and, last but not least, best judgment assessment could be made under Section 144.
Good. Now, Lizzie, tell me when you can join our organization.
Thanks, sir, giving me an opportunity to associate with your organization. It is my pleasure, if I could join your organization immediately.
Okay, thanks Lizzie, you're most welcome.